All right. Up, up, down, down, left, right, G. Okay, let's just hit cancel. Okay? Up, down, left, right, G. Hey, it opened again, and opened again. Excellent. That's actually what I wanted. Oh, and we loaded something else. Excellent. So we fixed the bug we had in the code, and let's look at the final change to fix the problems. So in the Filemob constant section, we've added these two new constants. Can the invalid task, can it be killed, right? So can kill invalid for if we can kill the invalid task, which is no, because it doesn't even make any sense. Can we kill the load box disk task? Yes, we can, because the task gets hung up forever and forever if we hit the cancel button. So we need to be able to kill that task and redispatch it when we do the hotkey for starting up that task. In the data section for Filemob, we've added a new lookup table called canKill, and we're going to put in the task enumeration and get out whether or not that task can be killed. The invalid task cannot be killed, but the loadbox disk task can be, and that's task index 1. Also, let's reference where this is coming from. So right in here, right? We wrote this in a previous video, in the previous video 391, but we did not actually create this array in the previous video, but we wrote a lot of code in the previous video, so I didn't want to also write this in the previous video because we would have ran out of time. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video, and that's it. So you've been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like and subscribe.